My name is June Holt, and my topic is transsexualism. The term transsexualism originated in the medical and psychological models and refers to individuals who identify with a gender that is not consistent with whom they are. Transsexualism became widely known in the mid to late 20th century with the development of the sexual revolution and sex reassignment surgery. The sexual revolution was a social movement in the 1960s that stressed sexual freedom and rejected the stereotypical gender roles. Individuals engaged in heterosexual or homosexual relationships without feeling like a social deviant. Sex reassignment surgery was a medical procedure, or is a medical procedure, that allowed one individual to change to another gender. Key events during the sexual revolution was the legalization of birth control for married couples in 1965, legalization of birth control for unmarried couples in 1972, and the legalization of abortion in 1973, and the influx of self-help books. Transsexualism is often included within the broader category of transgenderism. Some people believe the two terms are interchangeable, but experts argue they are not synonymous because transsexualism refers to a specific condition. Transsexual individuals approach intimacy the same way as heterosexuals, and the 5 circles of sexuality is a helpful model to increase their understanding of their sexuality. Sensuality. Understanding sensuality, they can develop a new image and become more comfortable with their new self. By understanding intimacy, they can feel more vulnerable. Sexual identity, understanding their gender identity and sexual role. Reproduction and sexual health, increase their knowledge about their body's anatomy and physiology. And sexualization, being aware of social cues and messages, both positive and negative. Transsexuals are susceptible to discrimination, harassment, and unfair treatment. These negative attitudes are mostly due to the religious beliefs and cultural attitudes of others. Many transsexuals or transgender people prefer the term transgender and think transsexual is outdated and derogatory, and also because the underlying message is related to identity and not sexuality. Transsexuals are stigmatized in many parts of the world, but in the Native American culture, they are highly regarded. Native Americans believe everything comes from the spirit world, and transsexuals are honored for having 2 spirits, that is, both male and female, and looked to as religious leaders and teachers. So what can we do? In trauma-informed practice, we can provide an environment that is welcoming and all-inclusive. Don't assume anything. Ask questions. Bring awareness through collaboration with other systems. And build trust by doing what you said you would do.